In a solemn display of solidarity and grief, the students, teachers and officers of Tripura University organized a silent candle march on Wednesday to demand justice for Angel Chakma, a student from Tripura who tragically lost his life following a brutal assault in Dehradun. The initiative was spearheaded by the Department of JMC. The march was organized under the direct supervision of Dr. Sunil Kalai, head of the JMC Department. The march commenced at approximately 4 p.m. within the university campus. Hundreds of participants carrying glowing candles and placards walked in silence to honor the memory of the 24-year-old MBA student. The procession concluded at the university's open theatre ground where a brief memorial was observed.
Today's event is a silent protest rally in support of seeking justice for Angel Chakma, whom we believe is the victim of racial discrimination. The message silently that the Tripura University fraternity, the students, teachers, officers, everyone come up together and say that India is not a battlefield of hatred and violence. We want to pass a message to the whole nation that India is not exclusive to one particular region. It starts from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Northeast and the center. So, this silent protest is that there should not be any intolerance, any discrimination based on religion, race, ethnicity, language or color. India should learn, every Indian should learn to live in peace, loving one another. Peace is the most important thing.
So how many students have joined today in this rally and how many teachers have participated?
Being a holiday is not about the volumes, but the representatives of all sections are present here, starting from students to scholars, professors to officers, everyone.
So lastly, would you like to send some strong message to the government, both from Tripura government and Uttarakhand government, to take more strict initiative in this case?
Uttarakhand government and Tripura government are already actively taking steps. They need to be more proactive so that this message of hatred should be sealed with the message of love. And especially the leaders should be very conscious and careful in dealing with such kind of situation, because the youngsters need to be filled with tolerance, love and peace, not with intolerance and hatred.
Thank you, sir.
The event saw significant participation from across the academic spectrum, including Dr. Deepak Upadhyaya and Dr. Dharmendra Dubey, assistant professors, JMC, numerous university officers and administrative staff, and a large gathering of students from various departments.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर दीपक उपाध्याय, मैं त्रिपुरा यूनिवर्सिटी में जर्नलिज्म डिपार्टमेंट का फैकल्टी हूँ। ये इंसिडेंट मुझे बहुत दुखद होता है। देखो, हमारे भाई एक पढ़ने गया था, उसके ऊपर ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट होना, किसी का जान तो हम बना नहीं सकते हैं, जान लेने का अधिकार नहीं है। अगर उसने गलती किया भी हो, उसका तो लॉ हाथ में लेना नहीं चाहिए। नोबडी शुड टेक लॉ इन द हैंड्स। तो मैं गुजारिश करता हूँ मेरे सारे स्टूडेंट देशवासियों को, आप लोग अपने भाई को भाई जैसे समझो। वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का बच्चा आपके जैसा लुक का नहीं होगा, मेनलैंड इंडिया का बच्चा यहाँ ऐसा लुक का नहीं होगा, लेकिन हमें सहिष्णुता रखना चाहिए, टॉलरेंस रखना चाहिए। और हम एक भाई के बच्चे हैं, एक पिता के संतान है, निराकार पिता के संतान है, इसलिए हमें भाई भाई बन के भाईचारा फैलाना है। एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशन में ये कतई मान्य नहीं है कि एक दूसरे का खून हो या किसी की हत्या हो। जो चला गया उसके दिवंगत आत्मा के लिए मैं संवेदना ज्ञापन करता हूँ और आइंदा से हम सब ये प्रण करें। देशवासी मेरे स्टूडेंट भाइयों को मैं आह्वान करता हूँ, कभी किसी का जान हाथ में नहीं लेना चाहिए।
ये जो चकमा का जो एक तरीके से जो मर्डर हुआ और एक डिस्क्रिमिनेशन स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में और नस्ल को लेकर के, कई बार फेस वैल्यू को लेकर के, कई बार क्षेत्रवाद को लेकर के जो हो रहा है, वो एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स में नहीं होना चाहिए। क्योंकि बच्चे जो पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं अलग अलग स्टेट से, अलग अलग जगह से, उनको पढ़ाई सर्वोच्च होती है। ऐसी स्थिति में इस तरीके का जो कृत्य है वो दंडनीय भी होना चाहिए और ऐसा भविष्य में होना भी नहीं चाहिए। इसके लिए कठोर कदम बनाना, कठोर नियम बनाना इनकी बहुत आवश्यकता है। यह जो आज शांति मार्च निकाला जा रहा है, ये एक मैसेज है, चाहे वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में अन्य इंडिया से आए, चाहे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के अन्य
The rally was organized to spread awareness about the safety of Northeast students and to stand in solidarity with the family of Angel Chakma.
This is a silent candle march that was held in protest against the racial discrimination that Angel Chakma from Tripura had to face. This silent protest was organized by the Department of JMC and Mass Communication at Tripura University. And the very unfortunate message, the message I want to give unfortunately to all the Indians are that we are Indians. There should be unity in diversity. All of us belong from different cultures, different places, and just because we look different should not be the reason for such brutality. That is all I want to say.
Thank you, sir.
First of all, Sintini really came in Karamaka. Racism ungai Chini Tako Angel Chakma Thangani Bago. Getting Chini Department Journalism and Mass Communication ni Zaratris in all of Hakatini. Really that is justice the mano. Some future of Chini future of some Tatamo racial discrimination face the Hakum. The money in Tanka. Upon the future of Tang to Mohai.
Speakers and participants at the march expressed deep concern over the incident, which has been widely condemned as a racially motivated attack. Reported by Nelson from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.